Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add line chart in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to do it, first you need to select data range which you want to add to your chart. So I select here name column and sales value column. So I have selected here this range with all names and all values. And after that I need to go to Insert tab, and here I need to click on this arrow on the icon with lines. This option is Insert Line Chart. It will let you to use this chart type to show trends over time, years, months and days or categories. So I click on this one option, and then I need to select one from available charts. So I select here maybe this one chart, and after that it will be successfully created here. Of course, remember that you can modify the size of this chart if you want. You can modify the color of this chart if you want. You need to go to fill and line settings, and here you need to change the fill color, for example to this one. And of course you can modify other settings of this chart if you want. Everything depends on your preferences. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.